station. Now, John, I can see you're a fellow plumber. It's a pleasure to meet you again. And this is what's great with Kohler. You come by, you see some products, and then boom, right away we got a custom demo. So we're going to start with this show right here. And if anyone wants to join us, we're telling John about the new generation of right temp valves from Kohler. Now, we've all put in the mixing valves before. In the past, sometimes it can get a little tricky. I know I didn't want to damage the valve, so I would take the valve apart before I put it in, then I'd have to put it all back together again. That's making more work, and it's leaving more pieces of the valve on the job where it can get lost, damaged, or whatever. So the Kohler engineers, John, we had a brilliant idea. They said, why don't we make it buy as you go? If we start off with the valve body, then there's no disassembling the valve. If we add the pieces as we go along, there's nothing left on the job to get damaged. And most important of all, you know how cash flow is in a plumbing business. It's not just water flow. Plumbers gotta keep the money moving, and we don't have to put those big investments up front for equipment we're not going to be installing for months down the road. So let's show everyone how these valves work. The big difference here with these valves, you're going to see they're easy to install, versatile, and reliable. Why they're easy to install is this is the valve body. So John, we'll get a little box. That's less space in our truck to stock everything. We don't have to worry about overstocking like the truck. And then we can pick a valve body for the type of pipes. We don't even have to put adapters on there anymore. If you're using PEX splitting like we have here, buy the PEX valve and you just plug it right in, so there are no adapters. If you're using threaded fittings or sweat fittings, you get the universal type. So the bottom line is, get the valve body you want, that's all you have to buy. Now folks, what we'll have over here is a test cap that comes with every valve body. Put that on, now you're flushing out the system, and you're testing everything without having a step on the job to get clogged up or to go missing down the road. Anyway, the valve body makes the installation easy. Now the next thing that we have over here is versatile, because you can hook it up any way you want. For thin wall installations, see that? You can face mount it. Remember, the trim goes on later, so you don't have to worry about buying the trim right away. You can leave it like this on the job. So the bottom line with the next generation of Right Temp is you're the boss of how you install this valve. Wait for your customer to pick out the trim so you don't have the wrong trim at the end of the job and have to change it. They'll pick the trim out for you. So you can give Kohler Engineers and John the Plumber a nice round of applause. They're really working hard for us to make our job easier. They've turned the installation from hours into minutes. So that's the next generation from Right Temp. And if you guys want to see some showers, turn on this way. Thank you. Thanks for your time.